Did you know your gaming desk can make or break your setup? The right desk doesn't just hold your gear, it can level up your gaming experience. Let's find out how. Today, we're diving into the best gaming desks of 2025, starting with the Bestier Gaming Desk, a feature-packed 44-inch desk designed for gamers who need functionality and style. Let's see what makes it stand out. As gamers, we all face the same challenges. Limited desk space can make it tough to organize our gear, and managing cables is often a nightmare. Plus, finding a desk that fits in small spaces while still being sturdy and stylish. Not easy. That's where the Bestier Gaming Desk steps in to solve these problems. The Bestier Gaming Desk is a compact 44-inch gaming table packed with smart features. It has 4 tiers of reversible shelves, perfect for storing your consoles, accessories, or even a mini speaker setup. The built-in power outlets make managing your cables a breeze. No more crawling under the desk to find a plug. The LED lighting adds a sleek, futuristic vibe to your setup, with adjustable modes to match your gaming style. And for added convenience, it comes with a headset hook and a side storage bag, keeping everything within reach while maximizing desk space. Whether it's for a bedroom or a dedicated gaming room, this desk blends practicality with a stylish aesthetic. What really sets the Bestier Gaming Desk apart is its reversible design. You can switch the shelves to either side, making it a perfect fit for any room layout. Imagine customizing your gaming corner exactly the way you want. This desk makes it possible. Pair that with its sturdy construction, and you've got a gaming desk that's built to last. So, if you're looking for a compact, stylish, and feature-packed desk, the Bestier Gaming Desk checks all the boxes. From LED lighting to smart storage solutions, it's designed to enhance your gaming experience. Ever dreamed of a gaming desk that not only holds your setup, but lights up your entire gaming experience? The Cooler Master GD120ARGB does exactly that, and more. Let's take a closer look. Next up in our best gaming desks of 2025 is the Cooler Master GD120ARGB, a 47.2-inch desk that combines smart lighting, sleek design, and gamer-focused functionality. This desk is a serious contender for the ultimate gaming setup. One of the biggest challenges gamers face is finding a desk that's not only sturdy, but also enhances the overall gaming experience. Cable clutter, lack of space, and uninspired designs are common frustrations. The Cooler Master GD120 ARGB tackles these head-on, offering smart features that cater to both aesthetics and functionality. The Cooler Master GD120 stands out with its smart ambiance ARGB lighting, which can sync with your gaming rig or mood, creating an immersive gaming environment. It's not just a desk, it's part of the experience. The desk is designed with cable management channels to keep your setup clean and organized. Plus, the included water-repellent mousepad covers the entire surface, offering smooth, uninterrupted gameplay while protecting the desk from spills. Built for versatility, its modern, sturdy design makes it perfect not just for gaming, but also as a workstation for your home office. With a size of 47.2 inches by 29.5 inches, it provides plenty of space for your monitor, PC, and accessories while maintaining a sleek and minimalist look. What makes the Cooler Master GD120ARGB truly shine is its smart lighting integration. You can customize the lighting to match your game, mood, or room decor, creating an immersive and personalized setup. Combine this with its durable construction and gamer-friendly features, and you've got a desk that's as functional as it is stylish. Think all gaming desks are the same? Think again. The Homall gaming desk combines style, durability, and gamer-focused features to elevate your setup. Let's check it out. Next on our list of best gaming desks of 2025 is the Homall Gaming Desk. With its sleek Z-shaped design, carbon fiber surface, and gamer-friendly add-ons, this desk is built to keep you comfortable and organized during those long gaming sessions. Every gamer knows the struggle of finding a desk that's both functional and stylish. From lack of storage to desks that just can't handle the weight of a full setup, the wrong desk can hold you back. The Homall Gaming Desk solves these issues with its robust build and thoughtful features. The Homall Gaming Desk features a carbon fiber surface that not only looks sleek, but also resists scratches and spills, keeping your desk in pristine condition. Its sturdy Z-shaped frame ensures stability, even when your setup gets intense. Designed with gamers in mind, it comes equipped with a cup holder to keep your drinks within reach and a headphone hook to keep your desk clutter-free. The desk's size is ideal for most setups, providing plenty of space for your monitor, keyboard, and other gear without overwhelming your room. What really sets the Homall Gaming Desk apart is its balance of simplicity and gamer-centric features. It's durable, compact, and loaded with thoughtful touches like its cup holder and headphone hook. Whether you're gaming or working, this desk delivers comfort and convenience in a sleek package. Small spaces don't mean you have to sacrifice big gaming features. The Homieasy small gaming desk is packed with everything you need for a killer setup, even in a tight corner. Let's dive in. Next up in our best gaming desks of 2025 is the Homieasy Small Gaming Desk. This 43-inch L-shaped desk is perfect for maximizing space while offering premium features like power outlets, LED lighting, and smart storage solutions. Gaming in a small space can be a challenge. From managing cables to squeezing all your gear into one spot, finding a desk that works for you is tough. The Homieasy Gaming Desk solves these problems with its space-saving design and thoughtful features, making it perfect for gamers with a limited room. The Homieasy Gaming Desk is designed to make the most of small spaces. Its L-shaped layout fits snugly into corners, while the reversible design allows you to customize the layout to your room. With built-in power outlets and USB ports, keeping your devices charged is hassle-free. And the LED light strip adds a stylish touch to your gaming station. The desk also features a monitor stand for better ergonomics, storage shelves to keep things tidy, and headset hooks for easy access to your gear. This desk blends functionality and style effortlessly. If you're gaming in a small space but want big features, the Homieasy Small Gaming Desk is an ideal choice. Its L-shaped design, power outlets, LED lighting, and pegboard storage make it versatile and functional for any gamer. Looking for a sleek, compact gaming desk that combines style and functionality? The HLDIRECT 40-inch gaming desk might just be the perfect addition to your setup. Let's take a closer look. Today, in our best gaming desks of 2025 lineup, we're highlighting the HLDIRECT 40-inch gaming desk. With its carbon fiber surface, ergonomic design, and sturdy A-shaped frame, this desk is designed for gamers who want performance and style. Finding a gaming desk that balances compact size with durability and features can be a challenge. Many small desks lack stability, while others compromise on ergonomics or style. The HLDIRECT gaming desk is here to solve these problems with a thoughtful design and premium materials. The HLDIRECT gaming desk features a carbon fiber surface that's not only sleek, but also resistant to scratches and stains, keeping your desk looking sharp even after long gaming sessions. Its A-shaped frame provides exceptional stability, ensuring your setup stays rock solid during intense gameplay. Designed with ergonomics in mind, the desk offers enough space for your monitor, keyboard, and accessories while maintaining a compact footprint. It's ideal for gamers working with limited room who still want a premium setup. The design also fits seamlessly into home offices, making it versatile for work and play. What sets the HLDIRECT 40-inch gaming desk apart is its combination of style and practicality. The carbon fiber surface adds a modern touch to your setup, while the sturdy A-frame ensures durability. Whether you're an esports player or a casual gamer, this desk offers a professional look and feel without overwhelming your space. Did any of these gaming desks catch your eye? Let us know your favorite in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you never miss our latest gaming desk reviews. Check out our other videos for even more ideas and inspiration to level up your gaming setup. See you next time.